Welcome to my channel. We are asked to evaluate this fraction here. It looks difficult, but I'm going to make it simple for you. I put down here solution. I come down here with the question 17 divided by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 7 plus 19 divided by 6 multiplied by 1/6. Here, if you look carefully, you observe that 1 divided by 6 is common, and as such, we are going to factor out 1 divided by 6. In that case, the expression becomes 1 divided by 6 into 17 multiplied by 5 divided by 7 plus 19 divided by 6. Then here, we are going to multiply this out, and we have 1 divided by 6 into 17 times 5, that gives us 85 divided by 7 plus 19 divided by 6. Then here, we can easily find the LCM here, and the LCM of 7 and 6 is 42. Therefore, we simplify it further. We are going to have here 42, 7 into 42, that gives us 6. Then 6 times 85, that gives 510 plus 6 into 42, that gives 7. Then 7 times 19, that gives 133. Then now, we simplify this. We have 1 divided by 6 into 510 plus 133. That gives us 643 divided by 42. Now, we are going to multiply this out, and this will give us 643. 6 times 42, that gives 252. You can still take this to mixed fraction, or you leave it here. And if you do that, you're going to have 2 and 139 divided by 252, and this is the simplified answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.